Hello friends, my name is Tana Guwal and I welcome you to my channel Knowledge Pitara. In my last video, I covered the concept of multiplication using bases, and now in this video, we are going to learn multiplication by the number 11 or 111. So let's begin by knowing what is the trick behind saving our energy and time by performing multiplication in our Vedic mathematics. So now we learn multiplication by 11 in Vedic maths. So multiplication by 11, let's take any two-digit number. Say 23 multiplied by 11. So what you have to do is you have to write this ones digit 3. You have to write this tens digit, that is 2, and then you have to add these two numbers, that is 5. So 253 will be an answer. Since here it is two digits, 1 and 1, 2 digits, so we are going to add 2 digits. Let's take another example. Say we have 56 multiplied by 11. So again 5 here, 6 here, and then adding this, it will give you 11. Here we cannot have 2 digits, so we have to give this 1 to 5. So 6 and then 1 and this 1 to 5, it will make it 6. 616 will be an answer. Let's take another example of 3-digit number. 3-digit number, let's say we have 123 multiplied by 11. So we'll write 1 here, we'll write 3 here, and then we'll add this. 1 plus 2 will give us 3 and 2 plus 3 will give us 5. So 1353 will be an answer. Let's take another example. We have 553 multiplied by 11. So we'll write here 5, we'll write here 3, we'll add this, 5 plus 5 will give us 10 and 5 plus 3 will give us 8. So we'll write here 3, 8, 0 and 1 will be carried to 5, which will make it 6. So 6083 will be an answer. Now let's take another 4-digit example. We'll take 4-digit number as an example. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 11. So now again we have to write this first digit 1, then last digit 4. And then you have to add in pairs. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3, 2 plus 3 will give us 5 and 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So 13574 will be an answer. Let's take another example. 5456 into 11. So we'll write here first digit 5, last digit 6, and then you have to add in pair. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 5 plus 6 is 11. Again here 2 digits, so we have to give 1 carried to 9. So we'll write here 6, 1 here, and 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, and 1 carry, 6. So 60016 will be an answer of this 5456 multiplied by 11. Now let's learn the multiplication by 111, that is 111. So let's take any 3-digit number, say 1, 2, 3. 123 multiplied by 11. So what we have to do is, again the same previous method will follow. We have to start with unit digits. So we'll write here 3. Then we have to add the 2 digits, that is 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Then here, since here we have 3 digits, so we have to go till 3 digits, like 3 plus 2 plus 1, which will give us 6. So now there is no more digits. Now we have to start from here, left side. So we'll write here 1. Now again in pair, 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Now if you take again all 3 digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will give us 6 itself. So we are not going to repeat it. So this is an answer. Let's take another number. Say we have 567 multiplied by 111. So what we have to do, we'll start with here. We'll write here 7. We'll add this in pair. This will give us 13. We'll add all 3 digits, which will give us 18. Now it's over. Now start from here. We have 5. Then add in pair, which will give us 11. And now no need to add all 3 digits because we have already added it. Now since all are 2 digits, so we are going to give them carry. So here it is 7, here we have 3 plus 1 which will give us 9, plus 1 which will give us 2, and plus 1 which will give us 6. So 62937 will be an answer for 567 multiplied by 111. Now let's move towards 4-digit number. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 111. So again we start with first digit, that is ones place, so we'll write here 4. Then we'll take 2 digits, that is 4 plus 3, which will give us 7. Then we'll take 3 digits, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2, which will give us 9. Since we are having here 3 digits, so we'll take here till 3. Now we'll move from here 1. So we'll write here 1. Then we'll add these two numbers, these 2 digits, 1 plus 2, which will give us 3. And then we'll add these 3 digits, that will give us 6. So 13694 will be an answer of 1234 multiplied by 111. It's so quick. Again, we took only 3 to 4 seconds to solve it. Now let's take another example. Say we have 5678 multiplied by 111. So again we'll write the ones place, that is 8. Then in pair, that is 15. Then 3 digits, that is 21. That's all, because we have 3 digits. Now we'll start with here. We'll write here 5. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. And then we have to add these 3 digits. That is 5 plus 6 plus 7. It will give us 18. Now we'll write here 8. We'll write this 5 and then 1 carry. 2 and 2 carry. 0 and 2 carry. 3 and 1 carry. 630258 will be an answer for 5678 multiplied by 111. I hope you got it, how to multiply 111 by any number. Let's say we have another bigger number like 62486 multiplied by 5. I don't know how much time you will take to solve it by a traditional method, but using Vedic maths, what in general we do in Vedic maths is we can write this 5 as 10 by 2. 2 divided by 10 is 5. So instead of writing 5 here, we'll write 624896 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So this will give you, now you have to divide this number by 2, which will give you 312448, and then multiply this by 10, that is 0. Simple. We have got an answer. Let's take another bigger number. Say we have 696312484 multiplied by 5. So again you have to do, what you have to do is you have to divide it by 2. So it will become 348156242, and don't forget to put 10, that is 0. This will be an answer. Now let's take another number where the last digit, that is units place, will be odd. So we have 5610345 multiplied by 5. So instead of this we can write 10 divided by 2. So in this method, first we have to multiply 10 with this number, which will give us 5610345 and then divided by 2. So it will be 28051725. That's all. It's so easy. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you and have a nice day.